Hey, my craft friends, Tracy here with Sweet Bay Lane, and welcome to part 2 of our 4-part series where we are DIYing with the wood heart cutouts from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you missed part 1, I'll have that linked in the description box below. And in this video, we're going to be working with the larger wood heart cutouts. So let's go ahead and get into the project. Here are the supplies we're going to be working with in this DIY. You'll need 2 of these large wood heart cutouts from the Dollar Tree, along with this 8-piece DIY pin set with the hearts. You'll also need some twine and ribbon of your choice, along with a pack of this gift tissue from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be painting my heart white, and I'm going to be using this apple barrel in Snow White. We start our project by removing the twine hanger and painting it white. Now that our heart is dried, we're now going to be working with the Dollar Tree gift tissue. I'm going to be using the sheet that says Happy Valentine's Day on it and attaching it to the front side of the painted heart. And to do that, I'm going to be working with the Elmer's purple glue stick, starting with half of my heart. This way, it gives me great control of my tissue paper. Then I continue on and finish the project on the other side, leaving a beautiful, smooth, unwrinkled finish in our tissue paper. Now that our project's dried, we're going to remove the excess tissue paper from around the heart with a pair of scissors. Now this doesn't have to be neat in any way because we're going to come in with some sandpaper and clean up the edges of our wooden heart. Now I have seen others use many ways to get this tissue paper off the edge, but I find this sandpaper technique leaves the best, cleanest finish in my opinion. Perfect. Now that that's done, we're going to set it aside and move on to our second wood heart. And for this one, we're just going to remove our twine hanger as we did with the first one, and we're going to be adding some of this pom-pom trim to the outer edge of our heart. Now I purchased this at Walmart, but I think the Dollar Tree pom-pom trim would be beautiful in this project. And once we're at the end of our pom-pom trim, we'll just trim it off at the bottom of our heart and finish attaching our trim. And here it is close up. I think it looks so cute on its own. But now we're bringing back in our tissue paper covered heart, and we're going to attach it to the front side of our wooden heart that we just trimmed in the pom-pom trim. Just making sure to line up our hanger holes. For this next step, we're going to be working with the 8-piece set of the DIY pins. We're only going to need 2 of them, and we're going to glue them to the top part of our heart, as I'm showing you here. And now that we have that step finished, we move on to our next step, and that's going to be adding back our twine hanger. Now you can go ahead and use the twine hanger that it came with, but I'm going to be swapping mine out for this red and white twine that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, but I have seen it at the Dollar Tree as well. Now, this next step is optional, but I'm going to be using some of this red velvet ribbon I purchased at Hobby Lobby in their Christmas section and add a simple bow to the bottom of my heart. Then you're left with this beautiful Happy Valentine's wood heart that you can clip either a sign or a photograph on, as I'm showing you here. I got this little piece of clip art and printed it out on a piece of cardstock. I think it's so beautiful. And I also wanted to show you the option with the photograph. So I chose this one of my husband and I with his family at our beach wedding in Massachusetts. We had a beautiful day on the beach celebrating with friends and family. Hey guys, that wraps it up for this DIY craft project, but if you're still in the crafting spirit, go ahead and click on one of these 2 boxes and it'll take you to some more fun Dollar Tree DIYs. Well, until next time, keep it crafty!